Welcome to Okuma. My name is Pablo Lichti, and we in the background see our most selling high-performance machining center, the MA-600, with the most flexible and space-saving tower APC. We often been asked by our customers that they are more and more struggling due to the fact that they have to deliver just in time. So therefore, let's have a closer look together to this unique combination which we have in the background. Thanks to the dual-level design, this is the most space-saving tower APC and most flexible due to the own controller. As we have the in-house production, meaning single-source supplier, we could take the maximum of the machine, meaning we can handle workpieces of 1 meter diameter, 1 meter height, and even to 1 ton of workpiece weight. This is unique in the market. Due to the flexibility of our controller, you can assign the programs to the respective pallets, especially the respective clamping tower sides, and create a simple prioritization of the workpieces to be machined so that you can react quickly and flexible to your customers' orders and deliver just in time. As mentioned in the beginning, this is a high-performance horizontal machining center called MA-600, which is known in the market for the highest productivity, dimensional stability and durability. Thanks to a wide variation of spindles, we can offer everything from highly agile aluminum machining with 20,000 RPM and even high heavy-duty machining with more than 20 Nm torque. Now you can see our 12,000 RPM milling spindle with over 400 Nm torque and 37 kW, which covers an extremely wide machining range, as well as 1000 cubic centimeter chip removal per minute. Such extreme cutting parameters only can be achieved due to the rock-solid cast iron machine bed and the in-house developed and manufactured spindles. If you want to achieve same cutting conditions on your workpiece, please get in contact with us on info@okuma.eu.